RAM Assist is the all-in-one fleet management hub to monitor activity and maintenance of your entire fleet from one simple app. With a simple interface app for drivers, it's easy to use on the go. Before starting the day, get your drivers to perform their vehicle checks and log it on their app, giving you a detailed vehicle maintenance history for your records. Need proof of delivery? Drivers can collect an image, status and signature capture, alerting you with the outcome of each job or delivery, giving the fleet manager a complete view of all deliveries. If your driver has a bump on the road, this can be logged easily on the app, and even has a voice recording option if the driver is unable to type at that time. Monitoring fuel and expenses has never been so easy. Your drivers can take a quick snap of the receipt on the go. RAM Assist allows drivers to record their breakdown, which will notify the fleet manager, but also provides the driver with their breakdown cover details. The new RAM Assist is the perfect tool for fleet managers to keep track of all important documents and key dates for all vehicles' scheduled maintenance, including road tax renewals, MOT reminders, insurance renewals, scheduled service, breakdown cover, and vehicle lease. RAM Assist's all-in-one hub is the essential assistant for keeping your fleet organised. You won't know how you lived without it.